Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for November 26th through December 10th. For November 26th to the 30th, positive height anomalies here remain across Greenland, and we have a ridge in the west. This forces a trough in the east, and this pattern will be the pattern that we're locked in for the next week or shortly thereafter. And we have this upper low here over Southern California, Baja California, that will move eastward and weaken as we go through the period. You can see what I'm talking about here, looking at the models. But the trough ridge configuration remains strong positive anomalies here. Now, as we I'm going to go to another map. Okay, this is the surface map. As we go through here, we'll have a front exiting the east, and look how far down south the 540 line goes to. It goes down to the North Carolina-Virginia border. And behind the system will be a westerly flow that would take over, and this will bring some snow the eastern Great Lakes and interior Northeast. And we'll have Pacific moisture that will be moving inland and into the northwest. Those result in locally heavy rain for parts western Washington with lighter amounts, likely across favorable. Heaviest will be around the favorable terrains with lighter amounts into the northern Great Lakes. I was reading ahead of myself there. So this is the pattern that we're looking for. So overall, it'll be a dry pattern. Just the northwestern parts of the east will have some precipitation. Okay, we're going to look at the period now for December 1st to the 5th. And we still have the same pattern as we have the height anomalies here, December 1st to the 5th, unchanged with a ridge in the west, trough in the east, and the positive height anomalies across Greenland weaken and slightly move more to the east. That will have some effect on our weather. Any storm system that be offshore, they won't be blocked as it moves slightly to the east there. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for, let's see, okay, calling for I can't get this map to come up. I'm calling for above normal temperatures here again, and I'm calling for anomalies of up to near 8 degrees above normal, generally across the southwest. And we have below normal temperatures here for the east with anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation from much of this region here, and the probability of occurrence is near 40%. Now, as we go to the next period, this will be December 6th to the 10th. We have a little bit of a change coming. And you can see the flow gradually de-amplifies more to a zone of flow. We have positive anomalies here. The height anomalies here near Greenland side further to the east. And now we have below normal heights here. But if you look at the GFS, this has a trough in the west, ridge in the east with a zone of flow. And this could be the case only because if you look at the NAO, I mean the PNA, it goes negative, favoring the trough in the west. And when you look at the NAO, it goes positive. We need to have that negative. Another thing to look at, we're going to look at the polar vortex here. and this is a polar vortex. Now, if you look, here it is now on the other, almost on the other side of the pole, and right now it's strengthening. So we have strong westerly winds, but the only thing is, it looks like it'll be more centered, the cold air centered more to the east, allowing for warmer air, and it's more settled. Looks like it's more settling into the west, allowing for more warmth in the east during this time. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for above normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees above normal, generally across this area here. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation, above normal precipitation from the northwest, western Montana. Probability of occurrence is 35%. And we have below normal precipitation for this area here with anomalies, or probability of occurrence of 40%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for November 26th through December 10th. Thanks for coming, Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.